How to enable pop-ups on Brave browser. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this tutorial I will show you how to enable pop-ups on Brave browser. Pop-ups can be useful for certain websites or applications that require them. So let's get started. On your system, open Brave browser. In the top right corner, click on 3 lines to open Brave menu. Now, click on Settings. A new window will appear. In Settings, on the left side panel, click on Privacy and Security. Now, click on Site and Shields Settings. Scroll down, under Content click on Pop-up and Redirect. To enable pop-ups on Brave browser, simply check this option. Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. So check this option. This will enable pop-ups for all websites. But if you want to enable pop-ups for specific websites, then in Allowed to send pop-ups and use redirect, click on Add button, and enter your website, and click on Add button. So that's it, you have successfully enabled pop-ups on Brave browser. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.